The ultimate hybrid RV camping checklist: what to pack and what to leave behind embarking on a camping trip. Your hybrid RV is an exciting adventure that allows you to explore the great outdoors while enjoying the comfort and convenience of a recreational vehicle. However, to ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience, it's essential to pack wisely. Having a comprehensive camping checklist will help you stay organized and make sure you have everything you need while avoiding unnecessary clutter. Here's the ultimate hybrid RV camping checklist to help you pack efficiently and leave no essential item behind. 1. Camping essentials: sleeping bags or bedding. Pack warm and comfortable sleeping bags or bedding to ensure a restful night's sleep. Pillows: don't forget to bring pillows for added comfort. Camping chairs: folding camping chairs are perfect for outdoor relaxation. Camping table: a portable camping table provides a convenient surface for dining and food preparation. Lanterns or flashlights: pack reliable lighting options for nighttime activities. Fire starters and matches: ensure you have the means to start a fire for cooking and warmth. First aid kit: a well-stocked first aid kit is essential for any camping trip. Insect repellent: keep pesky bugs at bay with insect repellent. Sunscreen: protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays. Map and compass: even with GPS, it's a good idea to have a backup navigation system. 2. Kitchen supplies: cooking stove. Whether you prefer a portable gas stove or a compact camping grill, make sure you have a reliable cooking option. Cookware: pack pots, pans, and cooking utensils suitable for outdoor cooking. Plates, bowls, and utensils: bring durable and reusable options for meals. Cups and mugs: don't forget to pack cups and mugs for hot and cold beverages. Cooler or refrigerator: keep your perishable food items fresh with a cooler or RV refrigerator. Food storage containers: bring a variety of sizes for storing leftovers and organizing ingredients. Dish soap and cleaning supplies: keep your kitchen area clean with dish soap, sponges, and towels. Trash bags: dispose of waste responsibly with trash bags. 3. Clothing and personal items: weather appropriate clothing. Pack clothes suitable for the expected weather conditions, including layers for temperature fluctuations. Rain gear: be prepared for unexpected rain showers with waterproof jackets and pants. Comfortable shoes: choose sturdy and comfortable footwear for hiking and outdoor activities. Hats and sunglasses: protect yourself from the sun's rays with hats and sunglasses. Toiletries: bring toiletries, including toothbrushes, toothpaste, soap, and any other personal care items you may need. Towels: pack towels for showering and outdoor activities. Medications: if you take any medications, ensure you have an ample supply for the duration of your trip. 4. RV essentials: RV owner's manual. Keep the owner's manual handy for reference during your trip. RV leveling blocks. Leveling blocks help stabilize your RV on uneven terrain. RV sewage hose and connectors: don't forget the essential equipment for waste disposal. Water hoses: bring hoses for freshwater connections at campgrounds. RV electrical adapters and extension cords: be prepared for different electrical hookup options. Wheel chocks: wheel chocks prevent your RV from rolling when parked. RV toolkit: pack basic tools for minor repairs and maintenance. Spare tire and tire changing equipment: ensure you have a spare tire and the necessary tools to change a flat tire. 5. Miscellaneous items: campsite reservation information. Carry the necessary documents and reservation details for your campsite. Entertainment items: bring books, board games, or outdoor sports equipment for entertainment during downtime. Cash and cards: have sufficient cash and credit cards for emergencies or unforeseen expenses. Camera: capture memories of your camping trip with a camera or smartphone. Remember, this checklist serves as a general guide, and you can adjust it based on your specific needs and preferences. Before each trip, review the checklist, considering factors such as the location, duration, and activities planned. With careful planning and packing, you can ensure a successful and enjoyable camping experience in your hybrid RV. Camping is our happy place.